Welcome to qnawire.
Consider the free body diagram of the pipe which is stuck in the ground so that when it is pulled upward, the frictional force along its length varies linearly from 0 to F max. Frictional force which is acting linearly along the length of the rod is equal to the area of the triangle with the base of L and height of X F max. Now let us calculate the force which is required to pull the rod out of the ground by applying the equilibrium forces of equation as summation of Fy is 0, Fy is P minus F max L upon 2 is equal to 0. So P is equal to F max L upon 2. Here P is the force required to pull the rod, L is the length of the rod, and F max is the friction force per unit length at C. Therefore, the force which is required to pull the rod out of the ground is F max L upon 2. Now let us draw another free body diagram of a small strip of length x. This is the distance x. This is P and this is the triangle. This is F max x upon L and here is the force P x. At this section of length L, let us calculate the intensity of the frictional force by using the similar triangle rule, that is mm, F max upon L equal to Fx upon x. So Fx is equal to F max x upon L. So the frictional force which is acting linearly along the length of the strip of length x is equal to the area of the triangle with base of x and height of this. Now let us calculate the reaction force which is acting on the strip of length x by using the equilibrium of force equation as summation of Fy is 0. So Px plus half F max x upon L multiplied by x minus P is 0. So plus F max x square upon twice L minus P is F max L upon 2 is equal to 0. That is Px is F max L upon 2 minus F max x square upon twice L is equal to 0. Now the elongation in the rod just before it starts to slip is delta limit 0 to L Px dx upon AE. A is the area of cross section. So let us put the values. 1 upon AE limit 0 to L F max L upon 2 minus F max x square upon twice L dx. So 1 upon AE F max L x upon 2 minus F max x cube upon 6 L L 0. So this will be F max L square upon 3A E. Therefore, the elongation in the rod is F max L square upon 3 A E.